Here's my Polar Cub. I think it's a Type G. And this is the one that it was a transition model because the blades are actually brass and they should be steel that was painted. And I was kind of surprised. You can see the shine to it. And I know because if I take my magnet and I stick it to them, they don't stick. But as soon as I put it on this, it will stick. And then if I let go on here, it just sticks to here. So they are brass. Same with the badge. So I know it's a brass blade. There was another one that the smooth base ones have the brass blade. There was another one I missed out on. That another one of these that went for cheap, and I could have had 3 of them. Kind of want to get into these. These are really nice fans, but I missed out on the smooth base one. I got that one over there. That one's pretty good, but I missed out on another smooth base one. And other than that, this is the only 6-inch Polar Cub I have, so it's my first one. And I like these with the cool ribbed base like that, but mine has a brass blade, so I'm happy instead of the steel because I didn't really want the steel. But other than that, I'll stop rambling. And here I went through it, just put some oil and everything mechanically, not electrically, but the brushes are still there. So here it is on. These things are screamers. Now, I have the brushes that are worn in, and apparently they'll have like an arc on the end, and it's not even. What you want to do is you want to put the thicker part in the direction that it's turning. I put it in the other direction, and it apparently draws a ton more, like 0.5 amps, and runs super fast. So you got to turn it the other way for it to run okay, which is weird, but now it's running good. Still have to go through it electrically and rewire everything. But these things move a ton of air for their size. That's the amps, watts, back, voltage, power factor, pretty high, so. These are screamers. And the bearing is worn too, but it sounded like crap when I first got it. So, it's much better than what it was. But if I take it off of this cloth, it'll vibrate around. There's a ton of air. The brushes in these aren't too bad. They're fine, but other than that, I probably should get some new ones later on. That's a tag. Actually didn't check it on DC, but I need to put a new cord on it. This is original cord. I do like the plug on it. It's in good shape. It's not really that in bad shape, but I'm definitely replacing the cord. I don't need that long a cord. That's the back of it. Get my light over it. But these are really small fans, and I love them for that fact. That's why they're so collectible. These are going up in value. I got mine for about $80. Apparently now they're going for $100. So that one I got for next to nothing. Even though it's this bigger version, but I don't really care. But let's see. I'm going to try it on DC really quickly. Okay, let's see how fast it runs on DC. Yeah, you kind of have to tone it down when you put it on DC, so other than that, it runs really fine. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed.